So hey y'all, it's Camille coming back to you with another video. Today is Vlogmas day number 8. So I hope you guys been enjoying the vlogs thus far. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today we are going to do an easy queso dip, okay? So I'm not making this from scratch, but I'm going to show you how I do my Taco Tuesdays. It just takes a few different ingredients. So I got the milk. I'm going to use lactate today. I got some mozzarella, some triple cheddar, and I have some Mexican cheeses. The base for my nacho dip is the Fiesta nacho cheese, and then this is by Campbell's, okay? And then I'm using the La Preferida nacho cheese, and this is the zesty one. So if you want that like good hoodrat nacho cheese sauce that you usually get from the carnival, this is for you, okay? So I already rinsed these cans off. I'm just empty these into my pot. Let me turn my pot on first. I got my spatula here. I'm just pour those in there. I want y'all to see the consistency of the La Preferida cheese. It's literally like that, like nacho cheese that you get from like Carnival or something like that. I'm gonna add the Campbell's. It's more so like a jelly. It doesn't look good, but it's good. And it already has like tomatoes and stuff in it. A lot of people don't know about this Campbell's Fiesta nacho cheese, but it's really good. Good. Okay, so I put down the eye, make sure I get all of it out of there. Now, some days I actually season my nacho cheese and some days I don't. It depends on how I'm feeling. I may add some garlic powder, onion powder in it. I'm not sure. So, you mix those two up. Get those mixed. Like that. Y'all know how to mix cheese. And then I'm going to add some milk. And I kind of eyeball this. I don't know who really use measuring cups when they are a real chef. So, I'm just going to eyeball it. And stir it up. And I'm going to come back to y'all in a minute. So I got the milk mixed in. I got this loose consistency. This is the consistency that you want because you're going to add your cheeses in there. You don't want no thick ass cheese. You don't want no thick cheese. So, do that like that. And I'm going to add some onion powder. And just a little bit of pepper. And a smidge of garlic. Okay. And I'm going to add my cheeses. I'm going to use some of this triple cheddar cheese. See, that's the thing that kind of separates my cheese from the regular just throw in the pot cheeses. You actually got to add some real cheese. You can't just use the can and that's it. Put some cheese in there. Make it realistic like you did it from scratch. A little mozzarella. And I'm just eyeballing this, y'all. Mozzarella is real stringy, so I don't use too much of this. And then I'm going to use some of the Mexican cheese, too. Okay. Let me show you I got my cheeses in there. I'm going to just mix this up. Okay. Mix that in there. And this is a little ghetto setup because I don't got an island, but just wait on it. Just wait on it. We're going to get an island. And so you want those to melt down to get that nice string pool, cheese pool. And once you do that, I got a secret that I don't want y'all telling everybody. They got to watch this video in order to see. I'm going to show y'all the secret in a second once this cheese simmer down a little bit. So give me a second, I'll be back. Oh, we got those cheeses melted in there. I just want y'all to see this nice little pool. That is what you want. Okay, that's the pool that you want for your nacho cheese. You don't want it to just be flat. You want to have some, look at that. You getting that? My husband is the cameraman today. John he took off, so we got my Xavier on there. And that is the pool that you want. So now that you got your pool together, this is my secret. Okay, so You have your jalapeno peppers. And so what I do is I take the juice from this, just a little bit, and I add it to my cheese so it can kind of break up that thick consistency. So just like a splash. So I take that like that, like so, like that. And what that does is you get that little kind of vinegary taste, and it kind of makes your cheese not like so thick. So I like that. You still get the pull, but it's just not as thick. So whenever you have like the cheese sauce and you feel like, oh, it's too thick, just add a little bit of the juice from the jalapeno peppers. And that is it, y'all. That is how you do it. Zoom in on this, baby. Come on closer over here so they can see. This is the cheese sauce. So simple.
So cheesy.
So cheesy, so good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. So I did want to come to y'all and just show y'all the type of setup that I use. So we got our chips, got a regular nacho cheese, got our scoops, some cool ranch. I like these. These are mine. The Tostitos with a hint of spicy queso. I got some Doritos, and I got some fajitas for people who want to make tacos. I got some chicken, some black beans, love me some black beans, some jalapeno peppers, some onion, gotta have my onion, the cheese, and I got ground turkey. We're gonna use ground turkey over here. And hot salsa. There we go. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to show you how I actually build the nachos. So I do a medley of chips. I got the spicy flaming hot chips. I got the regular Doritos. And then I got the scoops, Tostitos. So I add cheese, the Mexican cheese next. I'm making my husband's plate. I add cheese first. You gotta have your little shredded cheese. We like cheese over here. Okay. Some black beans, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna go with my turkey. On there. Kind of note those cheeses that we put down. I'm gonna add a little bit of this chicken, just for some texture, just a little bit. Some onion on his plate. You see how cheesy that is? Do you see that? I know y'all see that. It's a little messy because I need to get me a good spoon, but that, and then I'm gonna add some hot salsa because he likes his stuff spicy. Then some jalapeno slices. And let him keep this fork. And there you have it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Become a part of the MilleyRocks family. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day number 9. Peace.
Peace.